Hello guys, here is one simple inflammatory recipe which you would like to try. It is very effective and I can assure you it works. I hope it helps you. So growing up, I've always been someone that never liked taking medication. I never liked taking drugs or anything. I remember my mom would always force me. She would practically force those medicines down my throat. But one day, I devised a means of how to deceive her. Whenever she gave me those drugs, there's a very lovely fridge in our living room. Then I'll make sure that I'm close to that fridge. And whenever she's about to supervise me taking the drug, I'll hide it in my mouth and then spit it out, throw it at the back of the fridge before she can even close or open her eyes. I was so good at doing this. Until one very good day, I can say that I already had deposits of medication behind the fridge and I never thought of it as any big deal until this very fateful day. My mother was doing environmental. Do you know what that means? She was cleaning the whole house. And then she decided to pull out this fridge, remove the socket and clean the back of the fridge. Lo and behold, she saw all of my handwork. She could not even say a word. She was so upset. She was really upset. She said, "You this child, I gave you drugs to take. I'll think you've taken it and then this is what you're doing." I pleaded and pleaded. And you know the rest, they say, is history. Whenever I remember this incident, I'll burst out laughing. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just to cheer you up. Okay? So if you're dealing with any health issues such as inflammation, PCOS, and all of that, this recipe is a very good one for you. Do try it and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. Till I come your way next time. Bye-bye.